So hello everyone, today is your session 16, exercise 7b. So we'll be starting from question number 13. So question number 13. If the area is 3x centimeter square, make an equation and find x. So this figure is given. Okay, here it is x minus 5, here it is 8. So length given is x minus 5 and breadth given is 8. So according to question, L into B is equal to area. So L into B is equal to area. So length given is x minus 5 and breadth given is 8 and the area given is 3x. Okay, so here if we solve it, 8x minus 40 is equal to 3x. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 40. So 5x is equal to 40. X will be equal to 40 divided by 5, that is 8. Okay, 8. Now length will be x minus 5, that is 8 minus 5, that is 3. How come the length is smaller actually? I don't know how it came this 8 into 3. 8 into 3, so 8 into 3, yes, it will be 8 and 3 only. Question number 13, let me check it. Still 7b question number 13. X is 8, yes, it is correct. X is, oh sorry, what am I doing here? We need to find the value of only x. So we got the value of x. X is 8. We don't need to find it here. We'll give it here. Okay, x is 8. Now this is 17. Oh, sorry, 13b. The perimeter is 40. Make an equation and find x. So the same figure, x minus 5 and here 8. So x minus 5 and 8, the perimeter is 40. Make an equation and find x. So according to question, L length given is x minus 5, breadth given is 8. So according to question, twice into L plus B is equal to perimeter. So twice into x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to perimeter is, perimeter given is 40. Twice x plus 3 is equal to 40. So here twice x plus 6 is equal to 40. So twice x is equal to 40 minus 6. So twice x is equal to 34. X is equal to 34 divided by 2, that is 17. Okay, so we got this. Let me check it again. 7, 13, 7. Now question number 14. Now question number 14. 14, it is for this method of rope is used to fence the rectangular enclosure shown in the figure. Find the x. Is used to fence the rectangular enclosure shown in this. So here is the figure. Here is the figure. Okay, the figure is given 25 meter and here it is 2 to 5 meter square. Okay, so first of all, before going it to anywhere else, first of all we need to find this Bradford. L we know, we need to find B. So first case, okay, first case, this is the area. So according to length given is 25, breadth we don't know, question mark. So according to question, L into B is equal to area. So length is 25 and the breadth is B, then area is 2 to 5. So B will be 2 to 5 divided by 25. So it will be 9 times. B is equal to 9. So we got the breadth and length. Now when this is a rectangle, whatever rope is used to cover this is the perimeter. We know that. So according to question, rope used is equal to perimeter. And again, according to question, let's write this. This implies rope used was given 4x minus 2, and the perimeter we already know it is twice into L plus B. So 4, the breadth we got 9, so 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. This is 9, sorry, not 9, this is 25 and this is 9. Okay, 4x minus 2 is equal to this is 4x minus 8 is equal to, here it will be 2 into, here it will be 34. So here 4x minus 8, here it will be equal to 68. Then we can divide everything by 4. So 4 decimal will be 1 time, here it will be 2 times, here it will be 17 times. So x will be equal to 17 plus 2, that is 19. Okay, let me check the answer. Yes, x is 19. So we got the value of x, that is 19. Now question number 15. Madhu's flower garden is now a square. If she increased the width 1 meter and the length by 3 meters, the area will be 19 square meters more than the present area. What is the length of the sides now? So first case it was a square. So this is the square, I guess this is the square. So here we don't know the things, so it will be x and x. So length will be also x and the breadth will be also x. So area will be, this is let us consider it is a1, area will be x into x, so it will be x square. Okay, now second case, she increased the breadth by x plus 1, okay, and the length by x plus 3. Now the area will be, this will be a2, area will be L into B, that is x plus 1 into x plus 3, that is x square plus, this one will be 3x plus x plus 3. So it will be x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, now according to question, what it is given is the area will be 19 square meter more than the present, area. So according to question, a2 minus a1 will be 19. Okay, so a2 value is x square minus 4x plus 4x minus 3, and a1 is x square. So a1 is x square equal to 19. So here it will be this x square and x square will be getting cancelled, so 4x is equal to 19. Here it is plus, so other side will be minus. So 4x is equal to 16. X will be 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So we got the value. So length of the side will be 4 meter. Okay, four meter. So hello, 4 meter. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is the side other than hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 3:4. A rectangular is described on the hypotenuse being the longest side of the rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 4/5 of its length. Find the shortest side of the right angle triangle. The perimeter of the rectangle is this. So the figure is already given in your book. Okay, here it is the triangle, and here it is the rectangle. So the two sides are given in the ratio. This one is 3 and this one is 4, I guess. It is given in the ratio 3 and 4. So when something is given in the ratio, the sides we will take are 3x and 4x. Okay, the next part is the perimeter is given here is 180. So first of all, the information is given about the rectangle, so we will take rectangle's case. For rectangle we can write, for rectangle length given is the hypotenuse being the longest sides, the breadth of the is 4/5 of the length. So length given is x and breadth given will be 4/5 of x. Okay, 4/5 of x into x, that is 4x by 5. Now according to question, L twice into L plus B is equal to perimeter. Okay, so twice into x plus 4x by 5 is equal to perimeter given is 180. Okay, so now then it will be twice x plus 8x by 5 is equal to 180. The 2 is multiplied in both the sides. So now we will multiply everything with 5. So 10x plus 8x is equal to 900. Okay, so it will be 18x is equal to 900. So x will be 900 divided by 18, that is 50, that is 50. So we got the value of x is 50. So length will be how much? Length will be 50, length will be x, so that is 50 meter. Now for this triangle we have this 3x, here we have 4x, and here it is 50. So now for triangle, ratio given is 3:4. So sides will be 3x and 4x. We have already take x, so let us take y. 3x, 3y and 4y. So now according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, this square of these two sides, let us consider this y, x square plus 4y whole square is equal to the other side, that is 50 square. Okay, so now here it will be 9y square, here it will be 16y square, here it will be 25,000. So here it will be 16, 9 plus 9 and 16, here it will be 25y square is equal to 2500. So y square will be 2500 by 25. So here it will be 100. So y square will be 100. Now y will be root over 100. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that when y square is equal to 100, actual result is plus minus 100. But we won't consider this minus because it is length. Okay, the length of something cannot be negative. Okay, length cannot be negative, so we don't have to consider this negative sign. So root over 100 is 10, so result we got is 10. Find the shortest side of the this is 10 we got, so the shortest side is 3x, that is 3 into 10, that is 30. Okay, so 30 centimeter. Okay, we got this part. Now question number 17. Two cars leave Delhi at the same time, traveling in the opposite direction. The average speed of one car is 5 centimeter more than the others, and they are 4 kilometer apart at the end of. What is the average speed of each? Two cars leave Delhi at the same time, traveling in opposite. So first of all, if you understand this, it is like this. There is a straight line where I have drawn, I don't know. Let me draw it here only, like here there is no is there a line? No. So this is a line here, somewhere here is Delhi. Okay, two cars leave, so here is car A, here is car B. they leave from the opposite direction. So let us consider B has a higher speed. Okay, so first of all, if A and B both starts, after 5 hours A will be traveling here and B will be traveling somewhere greater than this in 5 hours, because the speed of B is more. Okay, now they are here, the distance between them is oh sorry, the figure is, I don't know, figure, sorry. Two cars leave Delhi at the same time, so here is the figure. First of all, this is Delhi, so two cars will be leaving here from the same point, that is A and B. In the opposite direction they are going. B is going in this direction, A is going in this direction. So after 5 hours, let us say A travel this much distance and B travel this much distance after 5 hours. The time would be same, but the distance would be greater because B has a higher speed. Okay, now according to question, the distance as a whole from here to here, it is 4 to 5 kilometers. Okay, so we need to find the average speed of A and B. Let average speed of A is equal to x, average speed of B will be x plus 5. So now when they are traveling in opposite directions, so first of all, average speed we got, we also got the time, so distance by A will be how much? Distance by A will be distance, time already we know, so distance formula is speed is equal to distance divided by time. So this distance will be speed into time. So speed of A is x and the time is 5, so 5x, and distance by B will be speed into time, so x plus 5 into 5, so it will be 5x plus 25. So now according to question, this is the distance and there is the distance by traveled by A. So if we combine to the two distances, so according to question, 5x plus 25 plus, if we combine the other distance, that is 5x, what we get is the resultant between the two cars, that is 425. That is, this one will be 10x plus 25 is equal to 425. Then 10x is equal to 425 minus 25. Then 10x is equal to 400. X is equal to 400 divided by 10. So it will be 40. So now we got the answer x. So speed of A will be 40 km per hour and speed of B will be 40 plus 5 km per hour. Okay, so thank you everyone. So this is done.